Hey traders, Keith Harrington II here. Monday morning has started off and we're off to a good start. Yesterday we got a gap open when the mark had opened. Let me go here to the daily time frame. We had a nice gap open. We came down and filled that gap and we seem to be on our way back up again just above the 4100 level. I did end up getting a buy position, a buy opportunity. After I made the video yesterday, we got a move down and we closed below this resistance area. So I kind of figured that we were going to make a move down and test this area here. But when I woke up this morning, price had completely reversed and I saw this big momentum candle here. So I just took the opportunity right there and got long. I got a pretty wide stop, trying to give it room just in case, because of this resistance area here, which is we're at right now. We're testing at the moment. So if we can get up above this, a nice close above this area, then I would look to see us move towards this 4200 area today, tomorrow, sometime during this week, possibly. So I did add a new position here. I got a full position on now, plus the other half position that I'm still holding here from the bottom at the original support area. So this is what I'm working with this Monday morning. Short and sweet, nothing much else to tell. I'll keep you guys posted on how this goes, and I hope you guys have a good start to the week. I'll talk to you guys again soon. Happy trading.